Look at this. This candle shop on Etsy has over 181.5k sales and they have been selling about last 6 years. Their candles sell for around $42 each. That means this shop has likely generated more than $7.6 million revenue selling candles. Now, just to be clear, this calculation I use based on the current average price of around $42. Since the shop has been selling for last 6 years, it's very possible that their candles were priced lower in the earlier years and increased over the time, which is a common as brands grow. So the exact number may be slightly different than my calculation. But even with the conservative estimates, this shop clearly generated millions of dollars selling candles. Now look at another candle shop on Etsy, and this shop has around 46.4k sales in last 4 years, and their average candle price is around $29.81. This means they have generated about $1.38 million selling candles. Now here is the interesting part. If you look at the candles in these shops, they are not dramatically different from what many candle makers are already making at home. Same soy wax, similar kind of jars, similar kind of fragrances. So the real question is, why are some candle makers building million-dollar candle businesses while many others struggle to even get their first few sales? Most people immediately think the answer must be better labels, beautiful packaging, social media marketing, or paid advertising. And yes, those things can help. But in my experience, they are not the real foundation, because a candle business doesn't grow only because someone buys once. It grows when customers come back and buy again and again. And the customers only come back when the candle performs well. So what does candle performance actually mean? It means things like strong sand throw, clean burn, proper melt pool, no tunneling, controlled flame, consistent burn from start to finish. When customers light a candle and it performs beautifully, they remember that experience. That's when they come back and buy again. And that's how a candle brand start building real momentum. But achieving that consistency is not easy, and where the most candle makers struggle. Because candle making is actually much more complex than it looks. A candle is not just wax or fragrance. It's a system of variables working together. For example, wax type, wick series, jar size, fragrance oil, fragrance load, curing time, burn testing process. Each of these factors affect the candle performance. And when people randomly mix materials without understanding the whole system, they often spend months or even years of trial and error, testing candles after one candle after another, buying more supplies, more and more, trying different kind of wicks, and still not fully understanding why one candle works and another doesn't. When I started candle making, I went through exactly the same process. I tested more than 20 types of wax, dozens of wicks, and many fragrance oils. At one point, I realized something very important. Candle making behaves much more like a manufacturing process than just a craft. In manufacturing, we don't rely on guessing. We follow structured testing processes to understand how a system behaves. And that realization eventually led me to develop something I call Candle Science Systems. Inside this program, I help candle makers learn how to test candle in a structured way, understand how different variables affect the performance, which reduces months of trial and error, and build candles that are consistent and sell ready. Because the truth is, anyone can melt wax, but creating candles that are repeatable, consistent, and ready for customers require a deeper understanding of the system. When you look a successful Etsy candle shop like the ones we saw earlier, what you are really seeing is the result of the process behind the scenes. Customers don't see the testing. They don't see the failed batches. They don't see the experiments. They only see the final candle that performs well. And that is why those brands keep getting repeatable orders and growing their businesses. If you are currently making candles and you feel like something is holding your candles back, or you are spending too much time in trial and error, I invite you to book a strategy call with me. On the call, we can look at what might be stopping your candles from performing the way you want, and I can help you create a clear 90-day plan to move forward with your candle process. And if you would like to do that, the link is in the description below. And on the call, we can also see if Candle Science Systems is right next step for you.